That's me. And that's me today. Yeah, I know, I look, well, different. It's no secret I've had a lot of work done. The secret is I did it all myself. I'm the queen of DIYs and giving things makeovers, and myself is no different. I'm always trying fun new beauty hacks, and over the years, I've really done quite a number on my physical appearance. So how did I go from bootyless to bootylicious? Soft to snatched. Well, here to let you in on all my dirty little secrets, it's, well, me.
Hi guys, it's Dr. Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Yep, this is me in all my natural glory. I know, you may not recognize me because you're used to seeing me like this, but hey, that just goes to show you what a fabulous job I do, even as a completely unlicensed doctor. Like, my scrubs are a bathrobe, and I really only have a PhD in shoes. But today, I'm going to be hosting this video tutorial of how I basically completely rearranged my face at home, DIY, broke fit style. Cheap, easy, not clickbait. So are you ready? Well, here we go.
Alrighty, so let's begin with a nice, clean, clear shot of before. And it's not really a before picture. This is more of a just like what I actually look like photo. So here you go. You can see this is me in all my natural. I woke up like this glory. Da-dee-da-da-da-da. Fabuloso. Okay, so we are going to get started with a cheek and jawline enhancement. So basically what we're going to do is some really fancy contouring. So you can see this is my face before, and this is it when I suck it in. And I would like it to look like I'm sucking it in all the time. We love that. Like a reverse blowfish. So in order to achieve this fabulous Pokemon-inspired look, we're going to need some foundation, your favorite concealer, some highlighter, and of course, some bronzing powder. So first thing, we're just going to go ahead and put the foundation all over our face. Da-da-dee-da-da-dum. Again, I'm no beauty guru, but there you go. Then we're going to go ahead and add the concealer underneath your eyes to brighten them up, Then we're going to go ahead and take the contour stick, and here is the part that's going to enhance the cheek. So when you contour the cheeks in the shadows, you can see it's going to kind of chisel out your jaw like that and make your cheeks look a little bit more defined. Ta-da! Put a little bit underneath here. We're already looking a lot more chiseled, but the biggest thing for enhancing your cheeks is adding highlight. This will really make the biggest difference. If you pop the cheeks, like it literally looks like I got cheek filler. They're so defined now and popping out, it's like, woo, baby! Even though literally all I did was add makeup. But now to the real good stuff. Okay, so everyone always asks if I've had a nose job since I started filming my YouTube videos. No, actually, this is the same, just very heavily contoured. So you can see here is my nose before. Da-da-da-da. Wow, very unfortunate angle, but let's just go with it. So you can see I have a little bit of foundation on it from contouring my face already. But you can see all we're going to do here is after obviously putting foundation on it, you're going to go ahead and put concealer on the sides of your nose to kind of brighten up the sides. But the part that's really going to make the difference is the bronzing powder. So you're going to kind of just contour the tip a little bit like this, just putting it on the edges and creating shadows around it. And then also do it down the sides to create, again, natural looking shadows. Obviously, we're going to blend this, so it's fine that it's really dark, but you can see that. Dun, dun, dun. And then the part that really makes the biggest difference is enhancing the tip with a little bit of contour in this area right here. I don't know what you'd call that, but there you go. So if you put a little bit of bronzing powder right there, it almost creates the illusion that your nose is tilted upwards toward the sky like a sweet little adorable piggy. Do you see that? Oh my goodness, it's working. Obviously blend it in as much or as little as you like. I low-key almost prefer to make it look not particularly blended in perfectly, so I'm gonna leave it a little dark and then put on the highlight on the tip of the nose and also on the bridge, skipping that little indented part. And you can see, look at that, it literally looks like I have a brand new nose, especially in photos. You would actually not recognize it. It's crazy, like a little anime character. How cute is that? Wow, look at that. Now that's what I call a difference. Granted, I cheated a little with the angle, but still, you get the point. Okay, we are going to move on to a brow lift. You guys know, like I said in my last video, my brows have had maybe 500,000 different lives. They're like a cat, except with way more lives than a cat. This is what my natural eyebrow looks like. You may remember it from all my old videos. It is just kind of a mess. It honestly tilts really downward, making me look very tired. So I have been giving them a makeover for many, many moons. But the real makeovering started when I decided to shave off the tail ends, which I would still recommend. That is the biggest way to lift your eyes. So shave off the tails of them, and then you can fill in the rest of it to where you want it to be, and it will literally open up your eyes so much. Another thing that I just started doing is laminating my brows, which I also could not recommend enough. I used to get it done in the salon, but I just did a video the other day where I did it myself with a kit on Amazon, and it was the best thing ever. Yes, I know it looks kind of insane, but once you fill it in and touch it all up, it literally makes such a huge difference. Like, are you kidding me? Look at that. It actually changed my entire face. Like, I don't even look like the same person. This is one of the biggest things. If you really want to snatch your face, this is the way to do it. Also, not to mention, you save about 20K on a brow lift. Pretty cool. Another thing that I actually just discovered, this is a celebrity hair secret. So if you guys have heard about the ponytail brow lift, it's basically the fox eye trend. It is where you will lift your brows to kind of create a quote unquote fox eye Bella Hadid style. So basically just part your hair down the middle, and then you're gonna go ahead and take a little side section of hair like this. And you can see when you tug on that, it pulls on your skin and pulls on your eye, just like a literal facelift. So dun dun. You're gonna go ahead and do that on both sides. You can get both of them, and then when you pull on them, again, you can see it will raise your eyebrow and thus change your eye shape a little bit. So pull that back into a little mini tiny ponytail and use a very tiny little elastic to kind of secure that right there. Pull it nice and tight so then it lays flat on your head in the back, and then when you take your hair down, literally just cover that up, and you can see, oh my goodness, that is hella snatched. Look at that. It's like a secret sneaky ponytail that no one will know about unless they touch your head. So don't do this on dates, but you know, you get the point. It's really crazy. It honestly makes a huge difference. Again, a bunch of you have been asking if I got the fox brow lift thing IRL. Nope, this is just what I have been doing before and after. It's wild what you can do at home. Not to mention when you add my signature Hello Wings liner and foxy lashes, it really makes a difference. Who even is this person? I have no idea. So crazy. The power of makeup is insane. Okay, now we're going to do duck lips. So, confession, obviously I've mentioned this before. It is no secret. I do actually have lip fillers. You guys remember they used to look like this, and now they look like this. But I'm going to show you how I make them look even bigger than this because I am crazy. So, basically, you can see my, quote, natural lips like this right now. And first thing you want to do is obviously moisturize them because taking care of them is just a good thing. But overlining them is the wave, but you want to do it with a nude pencil so it kind of looks like it could potentially be just, you know, an extension of your lip. It literally just makes it so much bigger. It's actually crazy, and you kind of can't really tell I overlined it. I mean, you can tell, but you know. Another tip is kind of softening the edges to almost make it look like the center of them is raised. So if you shrink the sides, it makes the top look bigger, therefore just kind of makes your lips look bigger in general. I don't really know what the science behind this is, but you can see, look at that. Way bigger. Also, putting a lighter color in the middle will kind of increase the size, and you can see, look at that. Whose mouth is that? That's crazy. Huge duck lips. So fun, so Instagram, so dumb, but you know, whatever. So another tip is adding a nude clear gloss over a nude lip liner will make them look 50,000 times bigger. Like, look at this. You add that plumping gloss on there. Whoa! Humongous! This is crazy. I literally don't even recognize myself. This is so funny. I really love doing videos like this because it just really exposes myself and exposes everyone, and it's just very funny to do that. So, yeah, anyways, big pouty lips, we love it. Move on to our body now, actually. We're going to try a little bit of lipo. Have you ever seen those viral photos of like people drawing on abs? Well, guess what? You can do that. So, being tan just makes you look thinner in general. I use Bondi Sands tanning lotion. I've showed this in a million videos, but I get it at the drugstore, and literally you can see my natural skin tone is super pale. But if you use the tanning lotion, it just makes you look thinner. I don't know what it is about the shadows or what, but you know, there you go. Fun, easy hack. Especially if you use a little extra around your abs, you can basically create abs. It's so funny. It's like such a scam, but it actually works. So, yeah, no gym needed for that. And also, my favorite thing to use is body makeup. I know that sounds like just really dramatic to use body makeup, but honestly, it works so well. It smooths out everything and makes you look like a just flawless glowing angel. And who doesn't want to look like a flawless glowing angel? Like, you can see my stretch marks. Everyone has them. There's nothing wrong with them at all. But, you know, if you want to just kind of make them look a little more glittery and a little softer, obviously use the body makeup. It doesn't cover them completely, but it definitely smooths them out and makes you look squeaky clean. But if we're being honest, the biggest way to snatch your body is literally just learning how to pose. Like, look at this. This is what I really actually look like. But, you know, you'll never see me stand like that. Boom, boom, boom. Quick fix is just, you know, posing. I did a whole video called How to Pose Like an Instagram Model, but truly just learning to pop out your hips, do some funny things with your hands while you're posing, and most importantly, if you're taking a photo, never just sit kind of rounded over, lean back. You know, hey, it'll have you looking like a supermodel in no time. God, I love the internet. Alrighty, now we're gonna give ourselves a Brazilian butt lift at home. So you guys remember this was one of my first YouTube videos ever, and half the comments were talking about how flat my ass is, which is very funny in a video about a DIY vanity mirror, but you know, people on the internet are very strange. So you can see, how did I take it from that to what it looks like today? Well, honestly, of course, you could obviously go to the gym, but honestly, it's all posing. Literally, I look the same. So aside of gaining a little bit of weight in quarantine, yeah, truth be told, it's all in poses. I have a full video called How to Pose Like an Instagram Model, and genuinely, that is the only thing it is. Popping your hips, contorting your body, that's really the only way to do it, aside of, well, of course, going to the gym, but who likes going to the gym? That's such a miserable experience. So, I mean, yeah, you can take some classes, but why not just walk around the mall and have a good time? As Carrie Bradshaw says, shopping technically is cardio. Of course, to get that real snatched look, go ahead and throw on a corset. Corsets have been used for ages to snatch your waist, so grab one of those. Shapewear is your best friend. And you know, for the heck of it, we're gonna give ourselves a boob job. So, well, it's no secret, you guys know I have pretty big double D's naturally anyway. So yes, so that's very convenient for me. But there's definitely ways to make them look even bigger. Namely, a push-up bra. Not to mention adding a little bit of contour and shine and sparkle to draw a little attention. Ooh, look at that. You were already a spicy hot tamale, but now you're an extra spicy hot tamale. Looking good, girl, looking good. The best tip of all for a perfect body is literally this. Learn to love yourself. That will make the biggest difference of all.
A bikini body is every body that you put in a bikini. Of course, I got a little stomach fat. We all do. Who frickin' cares? Rock it anyway.
And last but not least, remember, plastic surgery is called plastic surgery for a reason. It's all fake. This video is stupid. I'm not here to tell you to do any of these things, or that you need any of them to be beautiful. To be honest, I'm just blowing the lid off some of the best kept celebrity beauty secrets, and reminding you that no one, not even the people who look like that, look like that. Life is short, and how we showcase who we are in the outside should be fun. So have fun. Be blonde, be brunette, wear all black one day and hot pink the next. Self-love and confidence will make you radiate more than anything else ever will. So smile bright and live boldly and fiercely. That will be the biggest difference of all.
And that's that on the facts.
Remember, the most beautiful traits of all are standing up for what you believe in, loving others, and most of all, loving yourself. Never forget that. Remember, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and you are the only beholder that matters. So whether you're out here looking like a hot mess or the hottest bitch alive, remember, true beauty is something money can't buy. So have fun with the outside, but love yourself from the inside first. It will change your life. And on that cheesy note, I will leave you. Till next time, sweet angels. EXO.
And that's what makes you beautiful. Na 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 na. And that's what makes you beautiful. Quarantine has gotten to me. Just kidding, y'all know I was always like this.